Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to show you how to create attendance sheet in Excel very quickly and easily, which will get auto updated once we make any changes in it. So please watch till the end to understand how do we create attendance sheet in Excel. So let's get started with the topic of creation of attendance sheet. So viewers, as you can see here, we have an employee ID, some names, and I have given some date here. By default we are getting like this format, and I would like to change the date format in my own required way. That is, I need along with date its day name also. How can we do that? We will get it by doing right click, format cells, custom, remove this type 3ds, comma, dd, hyphen, hyphen year, click OK. So this is the code which will give you the day name as well as the date, after which I will rotate this date vertically. Now drag this date to remaining cells. So I'm going to stop at 31st August 2019. Once we reach the end of month, I have stopped. Now I would like to adjust this column width equally, all column widths equally. If I want to adjust, then I will have to start selecting from the column names. So click on any column name, either C, D or E. So from wherever you want to change the column width, on that column name we have to click, not on the cell. Properly click on the column name, hold the left click and drag to remaining columns. Now after selecting in this way, if you make any change in one of the column width, it will affect the remaining also. So this is what the benefit of selecting on the columns. Next, we'll type some present absent codes, prefer absent, prefer present. Drag to remaining cells. I put here some randomly absence, as it is only practice data. I am making some changes in it, and remove the Sunday attendance, as we do not have any working on Sunday. So we'll remove the Sunday attendance. Now total days present, how do we calculate that? Using a formula called Countif. Use the Countif formula. Start with the range C3 to AG3, comma, what it has to count, letter P. P stands for present. So in this way we have to give the formula, type enter, then drag to remaining cells. Now similarly, total absent is equal to Countif. What was the range we have given here? C3 to AG3. Same range, Countif C3 to AG3, comma, absent. Count, here it is some small spelling mistake, due to which it is error. Countif. Next is total working days. Is equal to AH3 plus AI3. These two cells we have to add. Then percentage is equal to total days present divided by total working days. Click on percentage, drag down to remaining cells. Now rotate this text so that we can save the space. Unwanted space we can avoid by rotating this text in the column. So we have multi-line text here, so to get multi-line text we have to click wrap text above the merge and center, percentage, now after everything is done, apply borders, select the data, click on all borders, apply some color, apply some color. So remove these lines in the Sunday column by merge and center, merge and center, merge and center, and type as holiday. Rotate this text vertically, make it center, copy, paste in remaining Sunday cells. This is how we have done creating the attendance sheet quickly and easily. Whenever we make any changes in this data, the values will get automatically updated here. So hope you understood how do we create the attendance sheet in Excel quickly and easily. Please watch, like, share and comment. Thank you for watching this video till the end. Keep watching my videos. Thank you.